Adorable moment during the morning time, and this is the time 10:30 a.m. and very beautiful day. Okay, and I am writing some topics. These are the chapters for my students. Okay, very soon our classes will be started. Okay, exam will be started. So what is biodiversity? So see, when we born and grown up, we will means what to say, will grow in beautiful environment, and in that environment beautiful forest we have, beautiful plants we have, flora and fauna, everything we have. Okay, and in that environment means what to say, the area, the location, the environment where all plants, animals, insects all live together and sustain their life activities. Sustain means how, what to say, they need bread, they need shelter, they need medicine, they need employment, everything comes from the biodiversity. So everyone should conserve the biodiversity. If our biodiversity will be rich, then it will means enrich our lifestyle. Okay, so this is called biodiversity. Now let's come to the types of biodiversity. What is the types of biodiversity? So number one, genetic biodiversity. All the plants, animal, insect, flora, everything we have gene. And I am the professor of means what to say, biotechnology. Okay, MSc biotechnology I am teaching. And see, so genes plays an important role to means what, to perform the hereditary information from one generation to other offsprings, means from parent to offsprings. Okay, so this plays an important role. So this is called genetic diversity. Next we come to what to say, species diversity. So in species we have different types of species. If you will come to human, we have Homo sapiens. If you will come to animal like means tiger, elephant, everything we have different types of species we have, and in that species we have genera. Genera also plays an important role. Okay, genera also plays an important role, and see, all these make the profile of what? Profile of species diversity. Okay, now the third point, we have ecosystem biodiversity. In ecosystem, all we know, we have producer, consumer, decomposer. In producer we have green plants which make means what to say, which make carbohydrate. Means in atmosphere we have a lot of carbon dioxide which is released by whom? Which is released by we guys, humans, and those carbon dioxide will react with water which is present in the atmosphere. Okay, in the presence of sunlight, we have abundance of sunlight we have. Okay, in the presence of sunlight, and it will produce what? Carbohydrate. It will produce carbohydrate, and a lot of oxygen will be released by these plants. Okay, from producer part. Okay, and that oxygen will be taken by we guys, and we survive on oxygen, beautiful oxygen we need, we fresh oxygen we need. Okay, so after that what will happen? We have consumer. So see, all the fruits, vegetable, whatever we have, all the means human, animals, all need food, and that is called consumer. So plants are eaten by cows, goat. Okay, so that is called consumer, because they are going to consume the plants, the green plants. Okay, next, the third, we have decomposer. So if any plants or animals died, then what will happen? It will decompose. It will decompose by whom? It will decompose by bacteria, molds, yeast, like that. So in environment we have means decomposer. So all these make what? All these will be included. All these will be included in ecosystem biodiversity. Okay, so these are the three different types of biodiversity. So next, what are the function of biodiversity? So see, whole area is covered with green plants, a lot of oxygen we have, sunlight we have, and this is the canopy of what to say, canopy of plants, canopy of trees we have. Chaya, it will give us shade. So see, so it is responsible for giving us what? Shelter. We need shelter, we need bread, we need medicine, we need good health, we need means what to say, employment opportunity. So all these are coming from biodiversity. Okay, so next, it will also recycle. It will also recycle the waste. whatever we means what to say, whatever we means generate the waste, so it will recycle the waste, it will maintain oxygen, carbon dioxide and all other gases inside the atmosphere. Okay. And next, it also plays an important role in pollination. Pollination means what to say? Pollination means yielding of good crops, good species of crops. Okay. So all of these are included in biodiversity. So this is the biodiversity, and always my means what to say, my vice chancellor used to say, always you have to go for reading, writing, like that. So I am thinking to sitting in this under this sad tree, and I am means what to say, I am writing all this means what to say, all about biodiversity. Okay. Yesterday I meet vice chancellor from Jamia Hamdard, and I was so excited. He was enjoying the tea. Really, it's a very beautiful moment. Okay. One of my chancellor, Dr. Rupa Basudevan, she is very means adorable and very enthusiastic lady, and she has a very good bonding with Minister of Education. Okay. And she has constructed very beautiful courses, very beautiful means what to say, very beautiful environment in best innovation university, and all the ministers like means what to say, like Dr. Like Dharmendra Pradhan, Ram Gopal, Ram Madhav, everyone visiting there. She must have a powerful opportunity in her task. So everyone visit there, and all of these ministers enjoy her means what to say, enjoy her means all whatever she will gifted, whatever she will invite for programs like that. Okay. So women are the means what to say, building for society. Women are the builder of society, builder of environment, builder of country, builder of the whole world. Without women no one can survive in the world. Okay. And we know that this is the society of what to say, this is the society of man dominating society, not the women, man dominating society. Okay. But we should have a very good correlation between both men and women, and then the environment will means what to say, grow very peacefully, the society will grow very peacefully. Okay. And see, what government of India has decided for me, I am watching for it, I am means waiting for it. I am enjoying the weather in these days, I am enjoying my cooking skills, I am enjoying my writing books, everything, and I am too much excited. I am thankful to Lord Almighty.